I know the idea of foldable phones isn't new, but hold on, because Samsung has taken it to a whole new level with their latest Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. So, we all know that a new phone means a new phone case, right? And if you're anything like me, you want the perfect balance of style, protection, and functionality. Samsung does make official cases, but let's be real, they can be a bit pricey, and they don't always have all the features we want. Luckily, there are some fantastic alternatives out there. Take SupCase, for example. Their rugged cases can handle anything. Whether you accidentally drop your phone on your face while scrolling TikTok late at night, or it takes a dive from a second-story window, they've got you covered. For a more in-depth analysis about the best Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases available right now, visit our website at thedetailedguide.com. Rest assured, we have included links to all the mentioned products in the video description for your convenience. Coming in at number 5, we have the NINKI Galaxy Z Fold 5 case with S Pen holder. This case is a clear winner in many ways. First of all, it's tough as nails with its PC frame, keeping your Fold 5 protected from all those bumps and scratches that can happen in your daily life. And the best part? The transparent material lets you show off the color of your Fold 5, so you can flaunt your style. But wait, there's more. The case also takes care of your new Flex hinge, and it's got a special holder for your S Pen, making it a perfect match. Oh, and did we mention the integrated kickstand? Yeah, hands-free viewing just got a whole lot easier. Plus, it's wireless charging compatible, so no need to take off the case every time you need to charge your phone. Awesome, right? Alright, moving on to number 4, the i-Blason Cosmo. This case is all about style, folks. No more settling for boring and bland cases. The i-Blason Cosmo comes in 3 stunning colors: marble pink, marble purple, and ocean blue. Each one has gold accents that add a touch of elegance, and the textured faceted design on the hinge protector is just the cherry on top. You won't have to worry about accidental drops either, as it's impact resistant for falls up to 10 feet. Plus, it comes with a built-in screen protector and a slot to keep your S Pen safe. This case truly combines fashion and protection seamlessly. At number 3, we have the Spigen Thin Fit Pro, the best lightweight Galaxy Z Fold 5 case out there. If you're tired of bulky cases that make your phone feel like a brick, this one's for you. Made of molded TPU plastic, it fits your Fold 5 like a glove and slips easily into your pocket or bag. The matte finish not only looks sleek but also keeps pesky fingerprints away. And here's the kicker. You can still enjoy wireless charging without removing the case. Oh, and it works with Samsung's PowerShare feature too, so you can charge your other Samsung devices using your Fold 5. How cool is that? Now let's move on to number 2, the SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro. If you're a bit of a klutz like me, this rugged case will be your new best friend. It's MIL STD 810G tested, meaning it can handle drops, shocks, and moisture like a pro. Even your dog can't destroy your Fold 5 with this case on. It's got a built-in screen protector, saving you the trouble of buying one separately. And remember that S Pen you love so much? Well, the Unicorn Beetle Pro has a dedicated slot for it, doubling as a hinge protector. And guess what? It even has an integrated kickstand ring holder, making landscape viewing and stylus use a breeze. Finally, at number 1, the crown goes to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Slim S Pen case, the best overall case for your Fold 5. Being an official Samsung product, you know it's going to be a perfect fit. Made from durable molded TPU plastic, it's designed to keep your phone safe from everyday wear and tear. It comes with an S Pen and extra pen nibs, so you can keep being creative without any worries. And with 3 colors to choose from, you can match your phone or show off your personal style. The only drawback is that it doesn't come with a built-in screen protector. But hey, that's a small price to pay for such a sleek and functional case. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases that offer a perfect blend of style and protection. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.